In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Phantom Wallet app on Android. By the end, you will have the official Phantom Wallet ready to open on your phone. First up, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It has a multicolored triangle logo on a white background. When you tap it, the Play Store home screen will load, usually showing featured apps, categories, and a search bar at the top. Make sure you are connected to the internet, since the Play Store will not load without a data or Wi-Fi connection. Now, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store and search for Phantom. Tap the search bar once, then type the word Phantom using your keyboard. As you type, suggestions may appear just below the bar, including Phantom Wallet or Phantom Crypto Wallet. When you are done typing, tap the search button on your keyboard to see the full results page. From there, you need to identify the correct app in the list. Look for an app called Phantom Wallet and open its detail page by tapping on it once. On that page, you will see the app icon with a simple ghost shape, the app name, the developer name, the star rating, and the install button. If you do not open the detail page, it is easy to tap the wrong result, so always check the full listing before you install. Next up, check that the developer is Phantom Technologies Inc. On the app page, the developer name appears directly under the app title. Confirm that it says Phantom Technologies Inc., spelled out exactly like that. If the name is different, back out right away, since that means you are not on the official wallet app. This simple check helps you avoid fake or copycat apps that might appear in search results. With that confirmed, tap Install. The Install button sits on the right side of the app page and turns into a progress indicator after you tap it. Once you tap Install, the Play Store begins downloading the app file to your device using your current connection. You will not be charged anything. Phantom Wallet is free to download from the Play Store. After that, wait for the installation to finish. You will see a progress circle or a bar as the download completes, followed by a brief installing message. On a fast connection, this might only take a few seconds. On a slower network, it can take longer, so just let it run without closing the Play Store. When the app is fully installed, the button that used to say Install will change to Open, and you will also see Phantom Wallet appear in your app drawer. At this point, tap Open. The Phantom Wallet app launches right away, and you should see the Phantom welcome screen with options to create a new wallet or use an existing one. From now on, you can also open it directly from your home screen or app drawer like any other Android app. You just downloaded and opened the official Phantom Wallet app on your Android phone. So if this walkthrough helped you get it installed, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more clear crypto app guides.